This is a 2008 Lincoln Navigator, a great fit and finish. It has a 5.4-liter 8-cylinder engine and an automatic transmission. Its top features include speed-sensitive volume controls, a low tire pressure indicator, 100% commercial-free Sirius satellite radio, a front and rear multi-link suspension, skid plates, 18-inch alloy wheels, and high-intensity discharge headlights. The following features are also included: adjustable driver pedals, air conditioning with automatic climate control, an auto-dimming rearview mirror, rear audio controls, leather seats, front multi-stage airbags, latch-ready child seat anchors, rear seat child-proof door locks, a rear window defroster, and this vehicle has fewer than 60,000 miles on the odometer. We invite you to contact us today to learn more about this vehicle.